Is your Samsung TV remote not working? Here are 5 tried and true methods to fix it. Step 1. Check the batteries. First, make sure the batteries in your remote are not dead. Replace them with fresh ones and see if it works. Sometimes, weak batteries can cause the remote to malfunction. Step 2. Reset the remote. Remove the batteries and press and hold the power button on the remote for about 20 seconds. Then, reinsert the batteries. This can help reset the remote and solve any minor glitches. Step 3. Clean the remote. Dust and dirt can interfere with the buttons. Clean the remote with a soft cloth and, if necessary, use a cotton swab dipped in rubbing alcohol to clean around the buttons. Step 4. Check the infrared sensor. Ensure that the infrared sensor on the remote and the TV are not blocked. Point the remote directly at the TV's sensor and try again. You can also use a smartphone camera to check if the remote is emitting an infrared signal. Step 5. Repair the remote. If you're using a smart remote, try repairing it with your TV. Turn off the TV, unplug it, and wait for about a minute. Plug the TV back in, turn it on, and hold down the pairing button on the remote until you see the pairing message on the screen.